here is a soundboard that we got in today. So this is out of a Black Knight, and what I discovered was the issue with the board was that we actually had a bad 6810 here. But what we did is we went ahead and resocketed all the speech ROMs here, replaced the 10 UF capacitor here on the speech truck, 1, 2, 3 1 UF capacitors. We had two 1000s, a 470, a 100, and also a 4700 UF capacitor here. The 6808 has been resocketed, and so has the sound ROM here as well. So I'll go ahead and get this thing powered up, and we'll start with the sound triggers. Some of those go on forever, and so all those are working there. And into the actual test.
Night Black, defend, challenge, thee, will, you, I, again, play, cannot, self, enemy, one.
And that'll go on for forever.
Night Black, defend, challenge, thee, will, you, I, again, play, cannot, self, enemy, one.
Alright, and we did also replace all of the .156 headers here on the board. But again, everything is working 100% and is ready to go here for you. So thank you so much for sending it. I appreciate it.